Hey, run, it's Michael and
Reuben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a sporadic favourite.
Indeed, not just because it's fractional and cool from Pamp, but because it's platinum.
It is.
And you're a bit of a fan of the old platinum?
Oh, I think I've promoted it once or twice over the last couple of years, few years. I think I started peddling it back when it was about $900 to $1,000 Australian per ounce, and it's a little bit more than that now. I've got to say, Pamp, I really don't like the boxes you package your stuff in. They're great once they're open. They're just a mongrel to open.
Sometimes they pop right open. Other times it takes a little bit of convincing.
So we won't talk about that one yet until I'm looking for. No, that's more 1 grammers.
It's the
1 grammers.
the 1 gram elephant in the room.
Yeah, I need the 5 gram. So here we go. So Pamp tend to do these in runs. Perth Mint's a little bit the same when they do these types of things, but particularly with platinum, they will do them in runs. So they're only available for a period of time till they've sold out, and then they'll think about putting them back on the production line again, and then we'll get another lot several months after we actually wanted them. So we've actually stocked up quite a bit this time, so we're hoping to have a few in, but this is what we've got. So these are platinum, fractional platinum. You've got the 5 gram, I'm going to put my eyes on so I can see it clearly. You've got the 5 gram Lady Fortuna there. A very famous design.
Iconic.
They've got, absolutely it is, and loved by pretty much everyone. Be very careful with these. They don't produce a 5 gram silver or anything along those sort of lines, but as we keep saying with platinum, to the untrained eye it looks very much like silver, and it's always good to make sure that you mark it separately so that if anyone else comes along to sell your stack at any point, or even yourself, you don't forget that it's silver, that it's actually platinum, and you sell it for the right amount.
Yeah, because it's pretty much just that stamp on there that mentions the fact that it's platinum. It's not anywhere else on the pack, except the metal fineness. It does say PT, but yeah, it's not exactly plastered all over it.
Yeah, so you've got there the standard design on the back. Each bar is numbered, and then you've got the certificate number down here printed as well. So we've got it available in the 5 grammer. Looks great. And for those more conscious of their budget, we've got it down to the 1 gram as well, which I always think is a great way. We talk about gateway drugs and, like introducing people to different precious metals, and the 1 grammer is a great way to go, well, you've got some gold or you've got some silver. How about thinking about this? And it kind of starts stimulating that conversation. Same design as the 5 gram. You've got the Lady Fortuna on there, replicated on the back with the same details, and then the same certificate number, etc. And in the tamper-evident packaging. But yeah, looks great, is great, from a world-renowned manufacturer and in stock when we release this video. They don't tend to last too long, even though we've stocked up quite a bit. They don't tend to last too long. They won't sell out in 24 hours or anything like that, but they don't tend to last a long while. But a great way to get some really good quality, great looking fractional platinum into your stack.
Very cool, awesome product, Pamp. Good to see them through, and we will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.